Many plants don't die suddenly. They decline slowly because of small mistakes. These mistakes often go unnoticed. In this video, you'll learn common gardening errors that quietly damage healthy plants. Too much water is more dangerous than too little. Roots need oxygen to survive. Constant moisture suffocates the root system. This leads to rot and weak growth. Good soil must drain excess water. Compact soil traps moisture around roots. This creates stress and disease. Drainage is essential for long-term health. Sunlight requirements matter. Shade plants burn in full sun. Sun-loving plants weaken in shade. Light mismatch slows growth over time. Plants rely on soil for nutrients. Poor soil limits root development. This reduces strength and resilience. Healthy soil supports healthy plants. Crowded plants compete for resources. Airflow becomes restricted. Disease spreads more easily. Proper spacing improves survival. More fertilizer does not mean faster growth. Excess nutrients burn roots. This weakens the plant structure. Balance is more effective than excess. Small issues grow into serious problems. Dead leaves attract pests. Weak growth goes unnoticed. Regular checks prevent long-term damage. Avoiding small mistakes makes a big difference. Healthy habits protect plants over time. Watch the next video to learn how to fix struggling plants naturally.